Welcome to our channel Key to Employability. Today we are going to resume my session Excel with day 5 session. Let's start. So before we go to the day 5 session, we should talk about whatever we have learnt in day 4 session. Day 4 session we have understood about the topics number group and use of format, different kinds of number groups, what is the utilizations of number group we have understood. Now today we are going to understand in the day 5 session different kinds of cell styles, why these are cell styles used and how these are used, and auto sum followed by table and format of table. These are the 4 things we are going to learn. So okay, let's start. Let me go to the Excel area. So I have built a Excel you can see here two sheet tab we have created. One is database and one is table fetcher. Database, we are having a database here. So we have to make this database exactly like this. This is my end product. This is how we are going to make this database like this. So let me check out about my requirement. My requirement is I need to do these things into my this database. So first of all, why the styles are used in the different cell, why these styles are used. From home tab, styles group, cell styles. Why these are the cell styles? These are the inbuilt cell styles in in Excel. They are giving different kind of cells group, style. So why we are going to use this cell style? Like we have to use heading in bold like this. It is bold, it is this color. So I need to do some sort of works, okay, individually one by one, using font, these are the things, and using alignment group, these are the things we are using. After using these are the things individually, we can create a cell style, proper cell style. It is so much time consuming. That's why I am not going to take in so much time consuming matter. So instead of this setting, we can create by default, we can take any by default cell style. These are the cell style. If I right click from this cell style, if I select any cell and click here, so it would be right this, okay. So let me check it out. So how these are the cell style built. If I right click from this cell style and then modify, so these are the things. Number group, when styles includes number group, alignment, font, border, fill and protection. These are the things, these are included in a style. So instead of applying these are the things individually, we can just single click any of the styles. It would be converted into that style, cell immediately. Okay, so these are the facilities. So let me check it out. These are my requirements. I need to make this exactly looking like this. Okay, first of all, title. This is title, this is heading, and these are the data. So title should be title style. Title should be title style. How to make it this? Home tab, styles group, then cell style. So there are many cell styles, so as well as title style is there. So you can click over there, so it is applied. Instead multiple click, we can do a single click. So make it broad like this so that it can be fit. Then it is heading. Heading should be heading 3. So I am going to select Control Shift right click, right arrow. Then it will be selected the whole thing, whole area. Then cell style, it would be heading 3. So heading 3, and then from next requirement is that, so heading should be heading 3, and from invoice number to location column should be input. Means from here to here, invoice to location column, it should be input. So I am going to take input, and now then followed by, these are the styles. Quantity and rate column should be explanatory. As you can see here, explanatory. So I am going to select this one, and this up to this. It should be explanatory. I'm going to take explanatory, and this column should be total. No, taxable column should be calculation, and I'm going to take it. Taxable column should be the calculation, and I'm taking it calculation, where it is calculation, here. So, and the last one would be the, and last one should be the total row, should be the total one. So sales style, so it is total. So I'm going to take this. So I'm going to make the calculation here. You can you know it, equal to quantity into rate. This should be like this, great. And I'm going to apply this one. Okay. So now I'm going to apply the number format. In the previous time you can understand how to apply the numbers. So I'm going to apply the currency. I'm going to take it our Indian currency. It is Indian currency. I'm going to take double decimal. Rate should be Indian currency. It should be also Indian currency. And I'm going to take this Indian currency, and here I'm going to select again Indian currency. Let me find it. So I have found it, Indian currency. So it is done. Now I'm going to make it total of quantity. So I'm going to click here. We can this is the thing we have already done. This is called sales style. So sales style is very much easy and very much effective, and look my presentation more presentable, make my data more presentable, and it is less time consuming. So we have done it. Now the sales style. Now it's come to auto sum. How to do the automatic sum? I need the total quantity. So how to do it? Home tab and editing group, click on auto sum and then enter. So it would be, we are getting the auto sum and the total taxable. Same thing we can do it here. Otherwise we can press from the keyboard alt equal to, then enter. So it is here. So now my end product is completely like this. Okay. So now let me come to the second example, table features. So this is my area, the same thing. So why table? First of all, my convert is to convert the data into table and calculate the taxable amount, then find the total quantity taxable amount. First of all, let me ask you, and my end product should be like this. So first of all, let me ask you, use of table and format of table, and the next two things. So why we are going to use the things, the data into the table? So you can understand why I am going to make my data into table. First of all, let me make it into table. So first of all, is there any I'm having a merge cell here, that's why I need to select the whole area up to that much. I need to convert this into table. So I'm going to put here, select this and go to insert, and in the tables group, if we click here table, then they are asking where is the data of your table, then data will be automatic selected, and my table has headers, means it means I am already having headers, invoice number, invoice date, product, HSN. If you want to put your headers like heading, so you have to click here. Otherwise, if I don't click here, so it would be coming like this. In the above this, it will be coming like this, column 1, column 2, it will be auto generated, right? So it will be a bad name. So instead of this, I can put here my table has headers. If I click here, so automatically it would be a header. So I'm going to make it okay. So it would be okay and it will be converting into table. Instead of this, I'm going to cross it. I'm using Control T for table, or you can press Control L. So I'm going to put OK or enter. So it would be converting into table. Whenever you are converting into table, it would be taking a by default design. Okay, a design tab will open. From this design tab, you are having so many things. First of all, what I need to do, we need to do a name of table. So in the left area, you are having a table name. So instead of table name, it's very bad name. So let me put a very good name. So I'm going to put a name, my data, enter. So I'm going to put here my data. So I have put here my data. if you click here, so my data would be selected. This is the naming of a range. Okay, so this is the area of my range, so automatically covered it. So now go to the design tab. So there are table styles. So from the table styles we can choose any of the table style. Each and every table style, there are one light, medium, and if you scroll it, and the dark. There are three table features are given in by default, predefined table features. So we are not going to select this one. If we click here, so it will be like this. So I have shown you. So next one, that if you want to it means that if you want to remove this, how to remove it. So click on convert to range. So they are asking, do you want to convert the table into normal range? If you click here, so the table features would be gone, right? So I'm not going to clear it. Okay, so my data have named it, and later you understand that these are the things. And now let me come to the table style option. So header row, why it is click here? If I click here, so header row will be automatically hidden. I'm not going to click here. Total row, if I click here, so total row automatically will be appearing here, right? Okay, if I click band row, so band row, click here, so all the bands will be erased or vanished. So I'm going to put here band row. First column, if I click here first column, so first column would be highlighted here. If I put here last column, so last column would be highlighted. Is there there is no data, so that's why last column is not appearing. Band column, if I put bands, so column bands will be appearing, right? If I click here filter column, so filter will be removed. Okay, so what is the facility? I'm just going to show you. Let me put a formula here, quantity into rate, enter. So all the things will be appearing. It's very dynamic, right? So I'm in the previous previous example, you have seen that I have to do three things. First of all, these are the calculation I have done, and then I have to drag it down. Okay, but here it is automatically filled. Another thing is that if I want to get a total here, so each and every I have got a total row here. So from the each and every cell you are getting a drop down. If I click the drop down, if I would like to know, these are the things. Without the functions, we are having many functions in the table, right? If I want to know the sum of total amount, so I will be getting here. If I want to know the minimum rate here, so you can click here, so minimum rate here. If I want to click here, so if I quantity, average quantity, so it will be coming here. So total quantity, if I click here sum, total quantity will be appearing here. So exactly looking like this. So these are the things I have understand. So why it is dynamic? So I'm going to just off the total row. So I'm going to put here tab here, just put tab here, so 11. So I'm going to not going to put anything here, just to show you quantity. I'm going to put 150, and rate I'm going to put 300. Automatically it will be appearing. It's completely dynamic. So I'm going to delete this one, control minus, so it will be affecting. So now again I'm going to here design tab, I'm total row clicking, so all the total will be appearing here. This is so dynamic. Hope you have understood my table features, and if there is any queries, you can ask me over the comment box. Okay, now you will get all the answer. Hope you have understood my session, and a PDF file will be getting relating to my video in the description box. You can download the PDF file and all the answers. So hope all the answers, the ways of these things you will be getting. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned.